They don't have discretion to disregard law and rule. So I'm pretty transparent about what I filed. So anyway, this is what I filed here, and all I need the court to do is come back and declare, which everybody's familiar with this information. Without subject matter jurisdiction, they can't do anything. They didn't serve in 120 days. The first time they tried to come back the second time without legal court, no showing of good cause, no extension by the court. They did it 3 times, got a default. The court clerk gave them a default on a defective service, all that kind of shit. But the rule actually says once the first time they don't do it, the court must dismiss the other party. Florida just did it, which is just kind of crazy because they're attorneys. They should know better. Just like they should have known better that once you actually saw me in front of you, I can't waive subject matter jurisdiction. I could have waived personal jurisdiction. So had she been in Florida and a whole lot of other things happened, I possibly could have waived it, with the exception of the fact that you didn't serve me in 120 days. And the rule required that you do these things. A court can disregard certain things they have discretion in. They don't have discretion to disregard law and rules. They have no discretion. That's called an error of law. And if it were me, because I'm not going to give anybody any legal advice, if it were me, I would be searching more for errors of law than worrying about whether the court abused its discretion. Because if it were an error of law, it would probably require reversal. Look for the errors in law. A lot of the other stuff won't even matter.